In line with the furtherance and vision and mission of the new leadership of the Nigeria Police Force, which aims at a new strategy and modern style of policing by achieving operational success in combating crime and reigniting public trust, has facilitated the Lagos State Commissioner of Police, CP Oluomo One-year, on a familiarization visit to Area K Command, which comprises of 6 divisional headquarters and 8 police posts under Morogbo, Badagry area of Lagos State, while interacting with community leaders, high-profile businessmen and women around the Badagry axis. Following this, the Commissioner of Police's opening remarks centered on zero tolerance to crime in any form.
I can boldly say, sir, that Lagos State Police officers are the most diligent, the most hardworking, and the most resilient police set of policemen you can interact with in this country. I do not know of any other police command in this country where practically the residence of an average policeman or the DP or the area commander is their offices. Am I right?
CP Oluomo said that stakeholders have vital roles to play in terms of community policing to enhance safety partnerships. The area commander harped on the need for training and retraining of personnel to enhance the level of professionalism while discharging their duties. In continuation of his visits, CP Oluomo One-year paid homage to the Oba of Badagry, Oba Akran, Chief Ade Sultan, and others who graced the occasion. He enjoined them to keep a safe environment, adding that anyone found violating the laws of the land will be duly prosecuted in accordance with the judicial process.
So if any police commissioner wants his salt, and more so a police officer with a Yoruba background that appreciates what traditional institution is, that appreciates what culture is, what history is, that police officer must, and I repeat, must out of obligation, start his policing journey by coming to pay respect to such a respected traditional institution.
Conclusion. Oba Dr. Sulaiman Raji Ashade Onibaekun also received and welcomed the CP and other officers while pledging to support and succeed in his commitment to fighting against insecurity and making Lagos State to be crime-free. In Lagos, Jennifer Mosu reporting for Newsbuster TV.